Welcome to Secrets of the Past. This is World War I in 5 minutes. In 1914, Europe's powers were divided into two blocks: Triple Entente, France, Russia, and the United Kingdom; Triple Alliance, Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Italy. On June 28, 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand was assassinated by Gavrilo Princip, a Bosnian Serb. This ignited tensions in the Balkans. Austria-Hungary blamed Serbia, sparking the July Crisis, a failed diplomatic effort to avoid war. On July 28th, Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia. Russia mobilized in defense. By August 4th, Germany, France, Britain, and their colonies were all pulled into war. In November, Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottoman Empire formed the Central Powers. Italy, initially neutral, joined the Allies in April 1915. Germany attempted the Schlieffen Plan to defeat France quickly and then move east to crush Russia. But France held firm, and by late 1914, trench warfare defined the Western Front. The Eastern Front remained more fluid. Russia and Austria-Hungary gained and lost territory. Other key fronts included Italy, the Middle East, and the Balkans, involving Bulgaria, Romania, and Greece. By early 1915, Russia had suffered heavy defeats at Tannenberg and the Masurian Lakes, losing around 450,000 men. Germany launched the Gorlich-Tarnow offensive in May, forcing Russia to retreat. Warsaw fell by August 5th, and by September 1915, Germany controlled much of Poland and parts of the Minsk region. Due to supply shortages from the Allied naval blockade, Germany began unrestricted submarine warfare in early 1917, prompting the United States to join the war on April 6th. Meanwhile, in Russia, the Bolsheviks seized power in the October Revolution of 1917. They signed the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk on March 3, 1918, pulling Russia out of the war. Germany shifted troops westward, launching the Spring Offensive in March 1918, which initially succeeded but soon stalled. In August, the Allies countered with the Hundred Days Offensive, breaking German lines. The Central Powers began to collapse. Bulgaria surrendered on September 20th, Ottoman Empire on October 31st, Austria-Hungary on November 3rd. Facing revolution and mutiny, Kaiser Wilhelm II abdicated on November 9th, and Germany signed the armistice on November 11th, 1918. The Treaty of Versailles in 1919 reshaped Europe. The Russian, German, Austro-Hungarian, and Ottoman empires dissolved, giving rise to new nations like Poland, Czechoslovakia, and Yugoslavia. The war ended, at a terrible cost. 9.4 million soldiers dead, 10 million civilians, lost $208 billion, spent massive debt, except for the USA, paving the way to the Great Depression. Let me know if you want this adapted into a script, video voiceover, or presentation format. Do you like this personality?